Hi everyone, welcome back to ES English and I hope all of you are doing very well. In this lesson, we are going to discuss pronunciation. So pronunciation means how words in a language are spoken. It's all about how you say words in a language. Okay, in this lesson, I'm going to discuss some of the words which most of the learners struggle with pronunciation. So let's get started. I have a list of words here in which some of the words can be easily pronounced, but there are few which are often mispronounced. Okay, so let's get started. Let's have a look at the first list of these words, and you can see there is all letter L there. Okay, so in all these words, letter L is clearly pronounced. Okay, so we pronounce this word as lap, lip, look, lock. So you might have noticed the beginning letter, the starting letter L has a very clear pronunciation there. But moving down to the second list, please note the letter L is not pronounced in all these words. So P-A-L-M is pronounced as palm, C-A-L-M is pronounced as calm and balm. Okay, so palm, calm and balm. And in the last word, letter L has a mild pronunciation, that is realm. Okay, we say this as realm. So the L has got a mild or a soft pronunciation in the last word. Similarly, we do not pronounce this L as it comes before letter K. Okay, so walk, talk, chalk. But when it comes to the last one, letter L has a mild pronunciation, that is bulk. And the last two lists where letter L is not pronounced is could, should and would. So letter L is silent here, could, should and would. But in the last one, C-O-L-D, letter L has a mild pronunciation as it is called. Okay, and the next one, H-A-L-F is half, calf, but in the last one, S-E-L-F, it is pronounced as self. So self. Even if you don't hear the pronunciation of letter L, it is mildly pronounced. Okay, now in this list, in some words, letter R is silent, but in some other words, letter R has a very clear pronunciation. So, this is ring, rock and rat. Okay, so you might have seen that letter R has pronunciation there. But these words, when you have a look at these words and when you pronounce these words, what happens is letter R is silent. Okay, in all these words, you don't have to say letter R. It is silent. So farm, this is warm, barn, born, okay, corn, storm. Okay, so when the letter R was in the beginning of a word, it was clearly pronounced, but when it was followed by letter M or letter N, it was not pronounced at all. Okay, let's have a look at rat. Okay, ring, rock, rat. Farm, warm and barn. Born, corn and storm. Okay, now let's look at the letter W in all these words. Okay, win, wink, war, whirl. Okay, win, wink, war and whirl. So in all these words, letter W has a very clear pronunciation. But in the next list of words, letter W is silent. Okay, don't see this word as wrong, so we don't pronounce letter W in all these words. Okay, so the pronunciation is wrong. Okay, then wrist, wreck, rat, right, and wrestle. Okay, wrestle. Here letter T is also silent. Okay, so win, wing, whirl, and whirl. But in this list, letter W is absolutely silent. So wrong, wrist, wreck, rat, right, and wrestle. Okay, wrestling. So in my next session, I will be giving you very useful tips about how to pronounce English words correctly. So I request all of you to subscribe my channel and enable the bell icon so that you get notified of my upcoming session. So till then, thank you, take care, bye bye.